Hey everyone, it's Dan Sfera coming to you from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Once again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm joined by Sargis Dalekian. He's a technology guru in the space of clinical trials. He actually developed a search engine where people can search for clinical trials, and he kind of did it based on he saw that there was an unmet need in the industry, and he went ahead and started doing it. So, Sargis, tell us a little bit about you, and first of all, your background, and then how you got started doing this search engine.
Sure. I started with the Google App Engine. It's a project Google launched in 2008. I think it lets you basically create the website very easily and basically create databases and data there in the cloud. And then I was looking for a clinical trial around my specific zip code, and I couldn't find any app that will let me search for a clinical trial around specific zip code. So
So
I thought
you actually you were really interested in actually joining a clinical trial.
oh yeah, sort of.
Okay.
I was looking for for smoking cessation, like
Okay.
obesity, that kind of trials, not like for healthy volunteer
Right. Right.
trials.
Excellent. So you were looking for a smoking cessation trial in your area, and you encountered a lot of difficulty.
Yeah. Basically, if you go to clinicaltrials.gov, you can see what trials are available in California. But like, I'm not willing to travel to San Francisco from San Diego just to get basically to get to that trial. So if I could find something nearby, I might be interested to get more information about that trial.
I see. So let's say you live in San Diego, and you're looking for smoking cessation, and at the present moment, they're only available in San Francisco, and you don't want to travel there, but you do want to do the study, so you'd like to receive some kind of notification when the trial becomes available in your area.
Yes, correct.
Aha, a very common problem, and yeah, people don't know how to solve this problem on their own. They're not all developers, so. But in your case, you are, and you made something because of it.
Yes. It's basically the data is publicly available and it's updated daily, I think. And the only technical difficulty was getting from like the text. They provide the location in the clinicaltrials.gov. So going from that text into actual geolocation, that was the most difficult part. But I had some experience with that priori. So it was just a matter of coding.
Wow, and it's this program is currently available.
Yes, it's a Clismap that if you search for CLIS that MAP, I think that's it will lead you to there. It's called
Clis.map.
yes. Sorry, I think it's without dot.
Oh,
It's
Clismap.
C CLAMAP CLAMAP. It's not.
CLAMAP.
Sorry. Let's do it again. It's CLASMAP.
Oh, okay. Clismap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'll put a link so I can go on there right now and look at it. And
Yeah. I got that wrong again. It's CLISMAP.
okay,
CLIS.
okay, that's
I'm
what I
sorry.
thought. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
CLISMAP. Has anyone approached you about partnering with you for using this search engine, or have any commercial? Is there any commercial applications for this, or are you just doing it as a service for everyone else?
Yeah. It's just working on my skills, doing some web programming, and it's. I think all it depends. I think how much traffic I will get. For now, I have like this feature that you can embed that in your website. You can
Wow, really?
that yeah. So like if you are a patient advocacy group and you want to somebody comes to your website and you want to show all the clinical trials about like specific condition, you can embed that in your blog or website.
Wow, so I can embed this in mine.
Yes, correct.
I think there will be some use for that there. So maybe you can help me afterwards. We talk after the interview about how to do that because I'm not very technological.
I'll be happy to.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Because we were looking for this for a while. I know that the some companies like CenterWatch they have their own.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're familiar with them. They will email you notifications, but it's their own studies. It's not every study that's available. It's just the studies that they partner with. So they get some money out of it.
I see.
I'm surprised no one has tried to buy this from you.
It's basically I think there are some apps like iPhone apps that try to no not try to but basically they do similar thing. But this one is just I think it costs nothing to run and it's like a hobby project for me basically.
So all you're paying for is basically the web hosting.
The hosting is also provided by Google. It's like free
Really?
hosting, free data storage. They have some special limitation, like if you pass that limit, they change that limit every like year or so. But you have basically free hosting, free data up to 1 gigabyte, I think.
Really? Yeah, because I'm glad I interviewed you because this would be a good service to our audience. They're always asking me for studies, and I'm sending them to clinicaltrials.gov. We actually have the search part of their engine in our blog, but I think this would be much more convenient. So we'll find a way to take that out and put this in. I just don't know how to do that, but I'll talk to you about that.
Sure, I'll be happy to help.
Interesting. So, do you have any data on how many people are currently using this? Are you able to track that?
Oh yeah, well there's Google Analytics there. It's not like only like 100 person a month visiting, but it's a relatively new site. Like it doesn't get like I started like at the end of 2010 was over the Christmas holidays, so it hasn't been like indexed. But now I'm like on Google Plus. I'm communicating with like other like people who might be interested in this application. So
Yeah, I'm definitely interested in embedding it there. I think it will be an upgrade to the current search engine. We don't make any money from our blog yet. Um, we're in talks with people, but I think this would be something that provides tremendous value for study participants looking for studies. I mean, it's a perfect example of someone looking for something and it's not available and then creating it, and now everyone else can benefit.
yes,
Well, very good. Thank you very much for this interview. And CLISMAP is the
yes.
how difficult would it be to develop an app for the iPhone, let's say, out of your engine?
I think it should be like just the web-based app, like if you because it's Google Map, and it just will be like optimizing the website for the mobile. But for now, I think I'm like I'm not going into the mobile as fast. I'm now more on the website.
More on the website. Yeah, because Don and we always wanted to build an app. We always wanted to partner with someone to build an app. Do you have any idea how much something like that would cost?
No, but I know like many people who are doing on Google App Engine. They are doing mobile app based on Google App Engine. It's just like it's time consuming. You need to have these mobile devices with you, and yeah.
I see. Well, we'll definitely embed it in the site, and we'll eventually work on a mobile app somehow. I think there's ways to integrate the video with the search on an app. I think that would be ideal.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much, Sargis, and stay on the line. I'm glad we were able to do this short bonus interview for you guys. Sargis Dalekia from CLISMAP, and pretty soon it will be on our blog. Thank you for watching, everyone. It's Dan Svera from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.